Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Viego League of Legends. Begin by learning his passive resets and how each ability chains into combos, then practice in the practice tool. Prioritize farming and short trades until you can reliably reset in fights. Track enemy summoner spells and key cooldowns, and always look for isolated targets where your single target burst and possession can win fights quickly and decisively. Start by mastering the basic QWE combo sequence and how each ability affects replaying enemy kits. Practice canceling Q wind up into E to close distance and W to secure kills and sustain. Use passive possessions to extend fights by using strong enemy spells, but avoid chasing into multiple threats. Warm up in normals and focus on consistent execution rather than flashy plays to climb steadily with Viego. If you found these tips useful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great after those long commutes to gaming sessions. It's an easy pick-me-up. I stash one near my seat, and it brightens the mood after stressful losses. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Optimize your rune and item path to match enemy team composition and your role in fights. Start with lifesteal and attack damage items when ahead for strong resets, or build resistances if you need to survive focus. Change your second by depending on whether you need damage or sustain, and always adapt your boots and last item based on enemy CC and magic damage. Communicate with your team for coordinated dives.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.